In this video, we'll be seeing the onboarding process of Playbook RPA. First, we go to rpa.playbook.ai. This website will open. Enter your name, business email, and click on Start Now. OTP will be sent to your email. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. Now you can choose the search type. You can choose multiple search types and click on Next. From this screen, you can invite your colleagues. You will earn credits when your colleague also starts using Playbook RPA, or you can do it later from the plugin as well. Here is the Chrome extension to download your Playbook RPA plugin and install it. You also have a demo video on how to install the plugin. You can download the plugin here and click on Finish. To install the Chrome extension, first we download the plugin. Once it's downloaded, click on Finish to finish the process and go to your downloads. Select the downloaded file, right click on it and extract all. Click on Extract. Once the extraction is done, launch your Chrome browser. You can either go to Extensions from here or go to More Options, Extensions, Manage Extension. Switch on the developer mode. Click on Load Unpacked and select the folder. Now your plugin is installed. To pin it to the bar, click on the extensions and pin it. Now to start your automation process, you can directly click on it and sign into RPA. After installing the plugin, you can click on the RPA plugin, enter your business email, sign in, enter the OTP, now you can start creating your searches. You can either scrape the profile and as well as send the request, or only scrape the profile. You can use it using the sales navigator as well. I'm going to send the profile request. Here you can enter the search name. The search name is just to identify your search, and then you can add the keyword. Choose which page to start from, sending the request, number of requests to be sent. You can add the location, talks about industry, title, everything, and click on Next. Then you can enter a few details so that AI can generate your LinkedIn request message. And click on Next. Now either here you can add your own message or you can use the AI generated message by clicking here. Now you can click on Add Search. Now your search has been added. To run this, you have to click on the play button here. Your search starts running. From here, you can see your daily scrape limit of LinkedIn and LinkedIn Navigator daily limit and the weekly limit as well. Once your profiles are scraped, it will come up under the prospect section. From here, directly you can add them to the AI sequence which is present, and the campaign will start in Playbook AI. From here, again, you can invite your colleagues. This is the profile page. You have the FAQ options. Chat option also we have. We have different searches as well. You can filter the prospects with different searches. From here, you can start or stop your search. You can see the logs in the log section. You can edit the search as well. Once the profile is scraped, you can select the prospect from here and directly add them to the AI sequence. You also have the export option to export your scraped profiles. Now your profile has come up here. You can click on Generate Sequence. Choose your desired sequence by selecting the channels, number of follow-ups, number of weeks. Now your sequence is generated. Here your templates are generated as well. These are AI generated templates, and you can click on Next. Here you can choose what kind of reports you want to see. You can select reports and click on Next. Start now. Enter your desired domain name, check the availability, and click on Register Domain. Now your domain is successfully created and you will get your credential in your email.